What's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt. In case you don't know who I am, welcome to this channel where we talk about day trading futures. This is one of those videos that just sucks to make. I'm down $2,800 on the day. Womp womp. It's big, sad, crying emoji for me. But it's okay. The account was started on April 13th, so a little over 2 full weeks ago, with $1,200, and we are still sitting at $10,400, which, how much account growth is that? I don't know. So we're still sitting around 766% account growth so far, which is fine. That's actually amazing. I think that, let's see how long that would have needed to last in the stock market. $1,200 in the stock market. Let's go back monthly. So we were in Apple longer than that. So we're looking at least 9 years so far, maybe about 10 years. Around 10 years in Apple, a constant holding would have made your $1,200 that you put into Apple one of the largest growing stocks of all time. 10 years would have equated what we've done in 2 weeks. So very happy still. At the end of the day, what matters is that your account is up and that days really don't matter. It's just a green account at the end of the day, right? So going over the trades here, you can see I had one winner, $88 right at the beginning of the day, and then the rest of the day was 6 hours and 11 minutes of a losing trade. So let's get into fills. So what I was doing here was looking for a quick overnight correction with a run up into 29.30, posted in my Discord, linked down below. That was the original game plan, and then I didn't even have time to like adjust basically before we were just like melting. So this was a melting pot of trades. I am long into Globex, something I don't normally do, so that will be fun and interesting to see what happens there. But yeah, not a whole lot to talk about today, other than the fact that down big, and yeah, gonna get a bunch of I told you so's on my trading style and all that crap. To be frank, I don't care, nor do I really want to hear it. And at the end of the day, like, I'm just doing this to be vulnerable, don't really care what your opinions are on my trading style. But the market does change, so my style needs to change as well. That's a takeaway. Other takeaways, the biggest takeaway is probably when the books are this thin, and it feels like kind of fake pressure on both sides, then just like don't trade it and just like close out and call it a day. That's what I should have done today probably. But the relief bounce in the 80s, I was looking for the gap fill and it just never really sprung off of it. I wanted to bring it back into yesterday's value range, so it is what it is. But a bunch of people in the chat made some good money today, so shout out to them. If you're interested in joining the chat, click the link down below. I think that's it for the video today. It's short, it's sweet, it's nasty, it's ugly because it's big old red numbers here. But again, keeping my focus on the prize, which is having the account green. So I'll see you all in the next video. I hope this helps you realize that in order to make big money, you have to lose big money. We wouldn't be traders if we weren't tossing around thousands on the daily, right? Another takeaway is I was clearly over leveraged. I'm probably over leveraged going into Globex as well, but you know, I'm in this account in order to make it big. I'm not in this account to like try and make it last for years and years. I'm in this account in order to make it big. So that's the plan, is to leverage up. I'll see you in the next video. Come chat in the trading room if you want. Peace.